Hi there everyone, welcome back again, a very important video. In this video I'm gonna give you a very important secret that can absolutely help you to be a good English speaker within next 30 days. I know that it sounds kind of different, but that can absolutely help you to be a very good English speaker. I think you will be able to speak English absolutely within next 30 days if you utilize my tips and technique a proper way in the next 30 days. I'm gonna share right now what you have to do to be a good English speaker within next 30 days. The very first time, you have to make yourself as a English speaking country citizens. Like, you have to completely switch on yourself in English, whether you're talking or whatever you're thinking, and wherever you go, what is moving around in your head or something like that. And I'm extremely sorry for the breaking voice because I got sick and I was just affected by cough, cold, fever or something like that. That's why my voice is kind of different, so I'm sorry for that. Okay, come to the point. And what you need to do, I said, you have to completely switch on yourself in English. Whatever you do, like when it comes around like thinking in your brain. And I just catch up some point of my speaking and I will describe it to you to give you the tips and technique. That's what I'm trying to do right now. First of all, you have to switch on yourself in English. How you can do that? Isn't it complicated? Like some people, like some teachers on YouTube, like so many people will say that you have to think in English. So how you can think in English? For example, when you will go to outside, you will think that you're gonna buy a potato and try to think in English. And if you don't really know, a few moments ago I said that if you don't really know, that's the point I wanted to describe it, that I told you I will catch some point. Like I say I don't really know instead of saying I don't really know. So that's the glottal stop that you can find the native speakers say sometime. Instead of saying I don't really know, they say I don't really know. Or sometime instead of saying, like sometime they don't really say football, they say, oh, I wanted to play a football, something like that. So that's the point. You have to catch the English native speakers. So to catch this kind of point, you have to listen a lot the native speakers from podcast or from whether if you like the watching movie, and you have to learn from the entertainment way. Like you have to learn that you like. From that you like if you like to watching YouTube video, if you like to watching movie, try to learn English from movie. If you like to watching exploring blogging's video, you can watch the English blogging video. That can absolutely help you to do that. And if you like the football, try to listen carefully the football commentary. That can also help you, and try to understand the meaning. That can help you to improve your listening skill. So first of all, you have to open your mouth to be a good English speaker, to able to speak in English, to capable to speaking in English. So I know that so many people in our surrounding, they know English but they can't speak English. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to open your mouth, and you have to open your mouth for next 30 days. That I say, you have to switch on yourself in English next 30 days. Like whenever you'll go to outside and you will see an object that you don't really know what is called in English. Like right now I'm in here and I can see there is something. This is like a place where is so many water. Okay, I mean a huge amount of water is here. So I don't really know this meaning. Then I will say this is pond, and I will search on the Google or translator in dictionary in order to know the meaning. So that's how you have to know like the vocabulary every day from your practical life, every moment, whether you're doing work or job, whatever, you can learn from your practical life. And whatever you say in English, try to make it, whatever you say something in your native language, and try to say in English. Like I'm saying আমি এখন video তৈরি করছি, what it means like I'm making video right now. When I'm saying that আমি এখন video তৈরি করছি, I try to make it English that now I'm making video. If you don't really say how to say that, how to make the sentence that you know your native language and how to say it in English, you can try to make a sentence, no problem. You might make mistake, don't worry, and make a mistake and go to the Google dictionary or Google translator and try to translate in English. So is it correct or not? If you see your sentence is mistake, then try to correct it from the Google translator and do it every day. And another thing is that you have to listen every day and you have to speak every day as much as you can. Like if you are work and that's like you are busy, you're doing such kind of work where don't need to use your brain, don't need to concentrate something, you work something like you're doing something, in that case you can listen something. And whenever you get time, you can speaking. I know that you will make a lot of mistake. Don't worry about it. Just make mistake and learn from that. So from top to bottom, like from morning to night until you go to sleep, just listen, and then speak all the time. Just practice can make you absolutely perfect. So you have to open a mouth and you have to practice. So now you can thinking that there is so many platform. You can think that about the speaking partner, how you will practice or something like that. I'm gonna give you some, like I'm gonna make another video where you can find a like a application where you can get your partner or something like that. So till now you can practice and have a partner from those kind of platform. So don't worry, you have to start to just practice every day and listen every day. That's enough for you to be a good English speaker. Now the place is kind of noisy, that you can see something happening here. There is some birds are making noise, so I don't prolong the video anymore. So I hope this video absolutely helped you to learn English within next 30 days. And I'm gonna make another video where I'm gonna talk about in details how you can learn English in next 30 days. And it's been raining here, so that's why I have to interrupt the video, and I'm gonna come back again with another video. So thank you for watching the video. Hope I'm gonna see you the next video.